For that video, and today we're doing SCP-780. Here's a picture right here. Now, I'm going to leave some of the addendums out. There's an addendum 780-B, or something like that on the side of the screen right now. I'm unable to do that currently, but you guys read it yourselves. I'll leave it in the description below. Anyway, let's start the video. SCP-780. Object Class Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-780 must be kept in a locked steel box 10 centimeters to 10 centimeters to 10 centimeters within the walls, at least 1 centimeter thick. This box is to be kept on a 5-meter pedestal at the center of a 20-meter X to a 20-meter concrete room. Individuals wishing to approach SCP-780 must submit a full-body search and may not bring any living plants, living or artificial. Images of any plants or descriptions of any plants or digital displays of any kind within 10 centimeters of SCP-780 isn't accepted as a part of a prepared food. You guys, I'll leave that word in the description. Test protocol. Individuals with the plant tattoos or any otherwise forbidden from approaching SCP-780, except during testing. Description. SCP-780 is a small bed, 1 centimeter diameter, shaped like a surrounded gem with numerous facets and a hole in its center. It appears to be made of clear amorphous substance. Studies suggest that SCP-780 does not melt at any temperatures exceeding 35,000 Kelvin. Cooling it below 24 Kelvin temporarily changes its structure into a crystallized form, allowing it to be damaged by any blunt impacts. When a plant or representation of the plant, including artificial plants, photographs of plants, drawings, or any paintings of plants, partially vivid or textile structures of plants, get to see a theme here, or any above appearing a screen of any sort. It is placed within 10 meters of SCP-780. It begins to levitate and fly towards the plant. How SCP-80 detects plants is unknown at this time, but if restrained, SCP-780 will become increasingly agitated until a plant is removed from its radius. If allowed to come in contact with a plant, hereafter the host plant, SCP-780 will stick to it for a period of 5 seconds, which at this time will fall to the floor. Once it lays flat against the ground, it cannot be removed except as noted below. Within 10 minutes, a shoot will be growing within its hole at the center of SCP-780. It will mature to a fully grown specimen of the host plants within 24 hours. This new plant is designated as SCP-780-1. Even if the host plant is not living, physical plant of SCP-781 will be through all other traits, color, height, and general form. It is matched the displacement of the host plant. SCP-7-81, it's SCP-780-1, has requirements for the sun and the atmosphere as a host plant. If it does not root system therefore require water or any particular soil conditions despite lacking roots, SCP-780-1 will not follow it regardless of the imbalance or pressure applied. It attempts to dig up the ground of SCP-780-1 it sits in the result of data expunged. SCP-780-1 is equally susceptible of damage as a host plant. Anything would kill its host plant and will also kill SCP-780-1. Upon its death, it will rot unusually quickly, and SCP-780 will be revived. At a maturity, each distance of SCP-780-1 provides new copies of SCP-780 in flowering plants. These copies are found in the base of each flower, usually replicating of the ovary or the non-flowering plants. The copy replicates seeds, spores, or any proligulates or something, which each productive or reproductive structure, flower, cone, spore, capsule, products exactly one copy of SCP-780. When SCP-780-1 portrays a plant species that does not undergo sexual reproduction, a single new copy of SCP-780 forms at the base of SCP-781. These new copies of SCP-780 will break out of SCP-780-1 and affix to the nearest plant not generated by SCP-780, or main insert if there is no such plant exist within the radius. Flowered seeds removed from SCP-781 before malnutrition contained similar small misshapen copies of SCP-780, which will not react to plants in any way. Addendum 780-A. SCP-780 was recovered when flyovers to America Desert reported at an odd stand by mangrove trees which were growing at existing water sufficient for their survival, until response from the Chilean government, which be include of botanist carrying blank, which included the picture of a rose bush on a cover. Upon approaching the site, multiple copies of SCP-780 flew towards the book, and the researchers fled. When they returned a day later, there were many more rose bushes growing at the site. Communication between the research team and the contacts were intercepted by Agent Blank, who interviewed the behalf of the Chilean government. The Mobile Government Task Force of blank are dispatched. Incendiary devices and imitate all plants in the area. All instances of SCP-780 were retrieved, but one of them has been destroyed to reduce the risk of further growth. Sorry, I messed up a little halfway there, but hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'll leave the addendum SCP-780 and see experiment log. I'll leave that out. Thanks for watching, and hope you liked the video. Bye!